Alright traders, so this is currently the buyers on NAS 100. It has triggered, but for some reasons it missed entries on my broker. But it's actually not looking good anymore because I can see liquidity below our zone. This zone is a good zone for it to continue buying, but after checking US 30 and S&P 500 index, I saw that there's a liquidity below this zone. As you can see right here, I expect price to come and use this zone right here. So this should be the zone price we use. So it's advisable you close out on this trade, and if you have entered, you can just close out. But if you are yet to close out, and if you want to hold the trade, you can decide to hold the trade if you are confident in your analysis. But right now, I'm not taking the trade anymore. While on Euro USD, it's actually moving in profit, right? We have backed 1 to 2 risks to reward. So and we still have about 2 risks to reward left. And also the analysis behind this is due to the dollar index bias. You can see the dollar index is bearish and has reacted from this zone. If it is able to clear this sell side liquidity, then if price is able to clear this sell side liquidity to the downside, then we should be expecting a buy on Euro USD. That is the reason for this buy. Likewise on GBP USD, let's check GBP USD. So likewise on GBP USD is actually buying also, but I didn't take the trade also because I've entered a currency pair which is also the same with GBP USD, which is Euro USD. So that is why I didn't send the signal for GBP USD. So this is just the outlook for this week, and today is Friday. So you guys should have a great weekend. We actually took a loss on Euro USD right here. That was the third loss right here. When I was expecting price to clear this buy side liquidity before coming back to this zone. So we actually bought around this fair value gap, and the two losses we had this week was on USD JPY. On USD JPY. So right here we took a loss right here. The trend was bullish and I was trying to sell. And why was I trying to sell?